In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your trading account using MetaTrader 5. Whether you're just starting out or need a quick refresher, this tutorial will guide you every step of the way, ensuring you have all the information you need to successfully access your account with ease. First, let's start by launching MetaTrader 5 on your computer. You will typically find the icon on your desktop, but if you're having trouble locating it, you can search for it using your computer's search function. Once you click on the MT5 icon, the program will open up, presenting you with the platform's interface. It may feel a bit overwhelming if you're new to this, but don't worry, we'll walk through it together. After the program is open, navigate to the top left corner of the interface where you'll see a menu bar. This menu bar is filled with different options to explore, but for now, we'll focus on the File option. Click on File, and a drop-down menu will appear with several selections. Here, you'll want to select Login to Trade Account. This action will prompt a pop-up window where you'll enter your login details. In this pop-up window, you'll need to fill in three crucial pieces of information: your login, password, and the server. Let's break these down. For the login, you'll need to enter your account number. This is a unique identifier for your trading account, so make sure you input the correct number as shown in your account details. Next, you'll need to enter your trading password. It's important to ensure that your password is accurate and entered exactly as it is set, as even small errors can prevent you from logging in. Always keep your password secure and avoid sharing it with anyone to protect your account. The final piece is selecting the server. You'll see an option box that allows you to choose the correct server for your account. It should be the IC Market server. This selection tells MetaTrader 5 where to direct your login request. Double check that each field is completed correctly to avoid any potential login issues. Once you've reviewed your inputs and are confident that everything is as it should be, simply click the OK button. The system will process your request, and if all the information is entered correctly, you'll be logged into your trading account. Take a moment to ensure you can see your account balance and trading tools, which confirms that you have successfully logged in. And there you have it. You're now all set to start trading using MetaTrader 5. Remember, precision is key when entering your credentials, so take your time to get it right. Thank you for joining me today, and happy trading.